Good day everyone, how's it going? My name is Aline and today I decided to come here and record this really quick video on Dentitox. So if you guys are looking to get to know more about this supplement and what's it really used for, although the name says it all, I will be, however, clearing up the air and clearing up any doubts you guys might be having regarding this natural supplement. Also, if you have any doubts whether or not you're going to throw your money away, and if you don't want to have any regrets afterwards, I'll tell you what, I suggest you guys pay very close attention. Watch this video until the very end. So by the end of this video, you will be clear-headed, you will know everything about Dentitox Pro, and hopefully you will want to make your very own purchase. All right, guys? So since I am here to help you guys out, I will start by sharing with you the most important piece of information about Dentitox. You guys should really know. So Dentitox is actually only sold through its very own official website, all right, guys? And to make it clear to you and to make it easier, rather than just leave you here by yourselves looking for that link, looking for the official website, I did find the official website and I did leave it below this video in the description box right here for you guys. So by the end of this video, you can go to that link, get to know the full story behind Dentitox, get to know its creator, and so much more. And you can even check out their cool packets as well, all right? So just remember, before you hit that purchase button, the only place to get the original Dentitox Pro from is the official website, all right? So, guys, let me just ask you, first of all, if you suffer from really bad teeth or sensitive gums, or practically your overall oral health is really bad. You know, some people forget that they need to go to the dentist, or some people really don't like to go to the dentist. Some people simply just, it doesn't even pass through their minds, you know? So Dentitox is actually here to help you guys with your oral health. And it is a natural formula, guys, so really has no side effects or contradictions. But let me tell you what it will really do. So if you suffer from weak gums, sensitive gums, you have gums bleeding all the time, it's hard to drink something cold, it's hard to drink something hot, so pretty much you're always frustrated with it, right? Dentitox will help you fix that up. It will go straight to the root of your problem and it will fix that up for the long run. Now, if you suffer from bad teeth, tooth cavities, tooth decay, you know, yellow teeth, Dentitox will also help you fix that up. It will go straight to the root cause of the problem for that as well. It will make you have no more cavities, it will fix up tooth decay, plaques, and it will also help you remove the yellowness from your teeth and help you have white teeth again. So as you guys can see, Dentitox comes with a lot of benefits. And guys, just to be honest, our oral health is just as important as our overall health, right? So Dentitox, as I mentioned, is a unique blend of natural plant extracts, herb extracts, vitamins, and minerals that were carefully selected to create this formula to help you treat your oral health. And let me just tell you that by far the results have been great. You can actually read people's feedbacks on the official website to see how their results have been, and maybe you can relate to a story or two. But I am here to tell you that yes, Dentitox does work. And it's working for many women and men all over the world. And you just need to remember something very important. Once you start using Dentitox, just make sure you are taking up 6 drops of it every single day, all right? It's just 6 drops, it's fast, straight into your mouth, and that's it. So it doesn't matter what treatment you decide to do, you just need to use